In this video, I'm going to take a look at some specific examples of polyamides. The first example I'll look at is Nylon 6,6. So nylon is an example of a polyamide. Remember, to make a polyamide, we can use a dicarboxylic acid. So in this case, I've got hexane dioic acid. So I've drawn the skeletal formula of that as well, just so you can see where the carboxylic acid groups are. So hexane dioic acid and hexane 1,6-diamine. So that's our diamine amino groups on the first and the sixth carbon. Just if you're interested, the 6,6 just signifies the number of carbons in each monomer. So we've got 6 carbons in the dioic acid, 1, 2 plus those 4, 6, and 6 carbons in the diamine. So just as before, we need to make a water molecule because this is condensation polymerization. So I'm just going to take the OH group from the carboxylic acid, or dicarboxylic acid I should say. I'll do it at that end as well while I'm here. And then we're going to take the hydrogen from the amino group, and of course there's your water molecule there and that last two, and we'll join them together. Just forgot about that one, let's get rid of that. And we'll join those together and show the repeat unit for nylon 6,6. The second example I'll look at is Kevlar, another polyamide. You may have heard of this. It's used to make things like motor racing, crash helmets, military helmets, bulletproof vests, armour, body armour, that sort of thing. Very, very strong but yet lightweight material. So it's made from these two monomers, a dicarboxylic acid called benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid, and it's also made from the diamine 1,4-diaminobenzene. So hopefully those names make sense. Now you can see the structures. Exactly the same principles as before. We're taking the OH group from the carboxylic acid and the H from the amine, or the diamine I should say. We need to get rid of that H as well. So let's join those together and show the repeat unit for Kevlar now. So we'll finish with a past paper question. I found this one about nylon 4,6. So most students will have covered nylon 6,6 in school or college. So this question is about nylon 4,6. You were told it was a polyamide and it's made from these two monomers. So that's butane 1,4-diamine and hexane dioic acid. And what you had to do was draw the repeat unit showing clearly the bonding linking the two monomers. So if you have a go at that, and then I'll go through the answer. It's always easy to see it when it's in displayed formula, so I've drawn up the displayed formula for the two monomers, and we're going to apply that same old lasso chemistry. We're going to make the water molecule by taking the OH from the carboxylic acid group and the H from the amine group. We need to do that at this end and of course at this end.